You had a MacBook. Try these 14 tips to make it faster, smarter, and way more fun to use. Let's go. First, Spotlight. Spotlight, your Mac's hidden superpower. Press Command plus space and boom. You can launch apps, do quick math, convert units, find files, and so much more. It's like having a personal assistant right at your fingertips. Second, Activity Monitor. Next, if your MacBook is slowing down, open up the Activity Monitor. Just search for it in Spotlight. Here you can find and quit any apps that are draining your resources. Think of it like your Mac's task manager. Third, Reduce Motion. For those of you who like speed, here's a quick one. In the accessibility settings, look for Display option. Then enable Reduce Motion. It reduces the motion of the user interface, which leads to efficiency. 4. Three-finger drag. The three-finger swipe. This little gem lets you drag windows around without having to click. Just enable it in System Settings, scroll down, click on Trackpad Settings, go to More Gestures. There you will find Mission Control. Change this option to Swipe Up with 3 fingers. 5. Quick Look. Need to preview a file quickly? Just select it in Finder, hit the spacebar, and bam. Quick Look. It's perfect when you need to check a document, image, or even app without opening it fully. 6. Hot Corners. Hot corners are another amazing feature. Set the corners of your screen to trigger actions like showing the lunch pad or notification center, and more like this. To set it up, go to System Settings, Desktop and Dock. Scroll down, Hot Corners. Then assign the action as you want. These smart shortcuts will save you time and make your MacBook feel faster. Now let's make multitasking a whole lot easier. 7. Stage Manager. This lets you access background apps easily. Just go to the System Settings, then Desktop and Dock, enable Stage Manager. You'll see all your open apps neatly arranged on the side, ready to jump between with a click. 8. Split View. Next, Split View. Want 2 apps side by side? Just hover over the green button on the top left of any window. Here you can choose which type of split screen you want. Then select the second app you want to appear. Boom. Perfect for multitasking. 9. Screenshot Shortcut. Press Command plus Shift plus 5, and you'll have options to capture your screen, a specific portion, or even record a video. 10. Siri for quick commands. Siri. Sure, it's your voice assistant, but did you know you can ask Siri to enable settings, open apps, even play music, or even search the web? Hands-free and super convenient. 11. Voice dictation. Dictation, or voice to text, is a time saver if you're tired of typing. Just go to Settings, Keyboards, then enable dictation. Now just press the shortcut on your keyboard and start speaking. It's a great option when you're on the go. 12. Quick Lock. Want to lock your screen quickly? Press Ctrl plus Command plus Q and your screen locks instantly. 13. File Vault Encryption. It's important to keep your data safe. File Vault is a must for data protection. You can enable it under Privacy and Security settings. It encrypts your disk, so even if your MacBook gets stolen, your data stays safe. 14. Reader View. Safari tip that will enhance your browsing experience. And if you want a distraction-free reading experience, click on the AA icon in the address bar to activate Reader View. Perfect for long articles or blog posts. There you have it. For more interesting Mac tips, subscribe.